Hello everyone and welcome back to my amazing channel. This is Beauty Bitch 69 and today I'm doing a highly requested video for all of my millions of followers because they all want to learn how to be fabulous and beautiful just like me. And let's face it, you all need help in that department. Love you. Oh my god, voiceovers are so hard. So, this is where I wake up and I always sleep with all of my luxury store fashion bags because when somebody comes in and tries to rape or murder me, they will see how fabulous I am and they will leave me alone, right? Ew, Louis Vuitton, so cheap. So sometimes I just look like a boy because I'm so tired. I'm a self-hating Asian, so that's why I turn my brown eyes to blue every day, but don't put these eyes in direct sunlight because you can go blind. That's why I always use a pair of expensive shades to prevent that. So, like every morning, I just smoke a cigarette or a pack, and I drink a bottle of expensive vodka, because that really gets the day started. I mean, some people prefer coffee, but I mean, vodka is the way to go. Vodka is the new coffee, right? So yeah, and it tastes so good, and it has such a small amount of calories. Cute, right? So, some people prefer a healthy breakfast, but I prefer cocaine because it suppresses my appetite and it makes me even more skinny. That's what we all need to be, skinny and beautiful. And cocaine gives you so much energy. Hello neighbors. It is like eating thousands of oranges, but it's just a sniff away, so sniff for your life. Oh my god, so many good memories. And it gives you so much energy for your YouTuber day. Waking up at 2 in the afternoon, doing a little bit of videos, smoking in slow motion. It's so Tumblr and indie. Love it. So, let's go to the bathroom. And first thing I do is put my hair down, because it makes it look so much longer and luscious and beautiful. Do you see what I mean? That difference. And no, I am not using extensions. This is all my real hair. Can you see? Beautiful. So, next thing I do is put my hair up in a little bun, and I know it looks a little bit different now, but it's just the lighting. And when I find some hair on my face, I just pull it out, and no, I did not shave because I don't have a beard. So, God has given me naturally beautiful skin, but sometimes I just have to perfect that with a little tiny amount of foundation, just a little dab, to perfect what's even almost perfect, right? So, blend, and if it doesn't match your skin tone, fuck that. So sometimes I feel that I look a little bit chubby, so that's why I use theatrical makeup to contour lightly. Just lightly, because of course this is a everyday makeup and you're going grocery shopping or something like that and you don't want to look too much overdone. So next thing is the eyes. I like to use colors like black, or even black. So amazing for everyday. And not too crazy, just beautiful enough to make everybody jealous. Just some basic, really pastel colored makeup and beautiful for every day. The next thing is of course the lips. And no, I don't use my lips to suck dick. That's stupid. So I just use some black eyeliner and some red Horish lipstick. And no, I did not use any injections. So, to fix and hold my makeup, I just use hairspray, because when I spray hairspray on my face, that shit is not gonna move off my face even after a 3-hour bukkake. So, now let's put the hair down and let's be fabulous for a moment. Look at myself in the mirror, tell myself how beautiful I am, and come with me. So, next thing I do every morning is take off my clothes in slow motion, because everything looks hotter in slow motion, right? So I put on a basic black outfit, but I feel like my boobs look really small in this one, so that's why I like to stuff my boobs to get all that money from those rich millionaires. Some people like socks, but I just use footballs to make that cleavage going. Cute, right? And they jiggle and bounce naturally. and it makes me look so much more attractive, and I can charge 1,000 more for a blowjob. So now let's move on to shoes, because this is an everyday look. I like to wear comfortable but beautiful shoes. These are just some plain Louboutins, and they look fashionable but also really low-key and expensive. Next thing is fur all the time, because it makes you look so rich and beautiful, and don't give a fuck about these animals. Who gives a shit? Because we already look like a cute little ski bunny, which is also a bunny, which is an animal, right? And so helpful for the animals. Oh my god, it's so hot. So I paired the outfit with a plain basic Hermes belt, and I feel like I need some Hermes bracelets, because if you don't have any Hermes bracelets, you are nobody. This is the way that I like my Hermes bracelets, a lot of them, and in crazy colors, of course. So with all this Hermes, we need some Hermes bags, of course. Sometimes I can't choose between Kelly or Birkin, so I just wear both. Cute, right? And it's such an invention of mine to wear two bags. But don't forget to put on a $3,000 Hermes scarf to make your expensive bag look even more expensive everywhere. So this is my completed outfit. Look at it, learn from it, and try to look as beautiful as me. I know you can't, but you can try. At least try. Trying is everything. And yeah, so this is my complete outfit. Just look at the shoes, the bags, the fur, the makeup and the hair, and I am just so kind of low-key but also really put together. Perfect for every day, and you can look but don't touch. Not the boobs, not the butt. I mean, it's trendy, but it's also really like everyday, going grocery shopping, going to the post office, getting me a millionaire, gonna suck some dick. This outfit is just everything in one, and I always complete my outfit with 1 or 8 of my thousands of perfumes. So last thing you need to do is take thousands and thousands of selfies, put them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and everywhere, so that everyone can see how fabulous you are. Because otherwise, people are gonna think that I'm dead or something when they don't see what I'm doing all the time throughout the day. That's what I always do. So I think you learned something from me. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe somewhere. Who knows where the button is? And yeah, please share my video and comment and tell me what you want to see next. Bye guys, love you so much. And please use these tips. Oh my god, this is so not on purpose. Oops.